Once again, welcome to the channel. Let's do an unboxing video. Everyone likes to do this unboxing videos. I'll go and unbox this guy, and then we'll see what it looks like, and hopefully didn't get damaged in shipping. But what we got here, so DuroMax Max system, power system, it says XP9000 is 9,000 running watt, which is 500 less watts that the Harbor Freight new Predator. But this one, like I said, is dual fuel, has a remote start. It actually has a digital control center. The Harbor Freight one only has a hour meter. Still, this one is an inverter, extremely quiet supposedly, and 100% copper windings, which is pretty cool. Also brushless. So it looks, it says 9,000 peak, 7,000 running, and then 8,550 peak in propane, and 7,200 running, which is pretty good. Here's the control. It has a full-blown control, voltage, and you name it, it has it. But it has about the same outlets and stuff as the Predator. Difference is this one has an automatic generator start, like if you have a compatible switch for that. And then it brings a battery tender, so you can keep it charging when you're not using it. Also, the 3-year warranty. That's important to me. We'll see. All right, welcome back. Again, unboxing. So let's do this real quick right here. Let me get a tool for that. I might not be able to take it out of the box on my own. Sorry about the road is right there, so we can see what's inside of it here. There's welcome stuff. Should read the owner's manual. Start right here. Okay, let's do it. 1 second. Sorry about that. Okay, start right here. Has the owner's manual. One thing that this one doesn't have that the Predator has is that CO2 thing, monitor. I see that being extremely useful. Sorry, you guys probably all over the place. Let me see if I can sit this down. Got my chickens. They're being chickens. Hopefully that's good. Has a warning about carbon monoxide. If you're operating a generator and don't know the dangers of it, maybe you should read your owner's manual. Okay, has a lot of information. Comes with this little cool sticker. That's pretty cool. Pretty thick owner's manual. Has troubleshooting, how to add oil, connecting. It looks pretty nice. Nice color illustrations right here. So pretty cool. Nice. Hopefully you guys got a chance to look at it. It says do not return it back to the store, that they'll resolve any warranty issues straight with the manufacturer. Whoa, this guy is huge. This guy is gigantic. Look at that. Hopefully you guys can see it. That is amazingly cool. That is amazingly cool. I don't know how I'm going to get this guy out of here. Oh, let's start taking these little things off. Pretty well packaged for what I can tell so far. Double cardboard boxes. It's nice. Let me bring you guys. Look at that. That's a nice quick instructions right here. Here's the gas cap. So here's my hand, so you guys can kind of compare. Has a gas gauge. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright, let me try to take it out of the box, and then I'll get back to you guys. So here's where I'm at right now. I opened one of the sides, try to take a peek on it. This thing is gigantic. Comes in a wooden, has a wooden base. I don't know if I have to unscrew it from there or not. Haven't to figure that out yet. But I'm gonna continue taking this thing off. I'm gonna probably take the other sides off. Yeah, let me use the same tool. All right, back to you guys in a second. All right, first look. Here we are. Man, this guy was hard to get out of this guy, well, by myself. Comes with a funnel. The propane, well, we're gonna operate it in propane for now. It also comes in here with several adapters. And you can see several adapters there. Okay. Comes with a battery, the battery tender right there, which is pretty cool. A wrench, and I'm pretty sure inside this little bag there's the spark plug kit. It's pretty cool. Look at that. This thing is huge, gigantic. Okay, you see here the exhaust. It's on the side, just like the Predator. Interesting to note, it comes with 2 key fobs, which is pretty cool. Here's the recoil start. Okay, I like how it's on the outside. You don't have to take anything out. Has the wheel locks. The wheels feel pretty cool. They're like they're flat tires, or flat free tires, whatever they call them. So it rolls pretty nice. Up here in the front, huge control panel. You got the choke, fuel cutoff, and choke. You got the selector here if you're gonna run out of propane or regular gas. You also have here the low idle or eco mode, main power switch here with push start. Here's where you connect the propane. You got the main breakers here, parallel, a couple USB ports. It has a regular USB-A and a USB-C. Let's see. It looks like they pinched the cover for this one up there. I'll get that out. This is where you will connect the automatic switch. A couple more circuit breakers. Interesting to note, it has ground fault switches here, which are pretty cool. Okay, 120 twist lock and a 120 240 twist lock. Says 30 amps. Okay, that's in this. I see it rolls pretty cool, nice and easy. Also pretty good surface here, so it's nothing weird. Here's the other side. Here's the back. It also includes these handles. Okay, so if you need to pick it up and handle it wherever you need to go, that's that. It looks pretty cool. Let's see if I can get a catch. I want to say it's about half the length of that golf cart there. And then I have a Predator 3500. I also have a Cummins 4500, and we'll probably do some noise comparison and stuff like that here. But as of right now, I'm doing this right here. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some oil on it, give it a nice glance, make sure everything's good, connect the battery, put some fuel, and then we'll get it running here shortly. So first thing I'm gonna do is gonna figure out how I'm gonna do the oil. I'll probably record that, then you guys will see me putting some fuel, and then I'll run it. So stand by here a second. I'm gonna get tools. I'm gonna go from there, get everything ready.